In a recent controversy, BJP leader and Puri Lok Sabha candidate Sambit Patra has faced backlash after a slip of tongue during an interview with a private Odia channel. In the viral clip, Patra can be heard saying that Lord Jagannatha is a devotee of Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Hello and welcome. This is Akanksha and you're watching HW News English. Odisha Chief Minister and Biju Janata Dal Chief Naveen Patnaik responded strongly, stating that Mahaprabhu Sri Jagannatha is the Lord of the universe. Referring him to as the devotee of another human being is an insult to the Lord. Patnaik emphasized that the remark has hurt the sentiments of countless Jagannatha devotees. He also said, "By this you have deeply hurt Odia Asmita and will be remembered and condemned by the people of Odisha for a long time." Calling Lord Jagannatha the greatest symbol of Odia Asmita, that is Odia pride, Patnaik denounced Patra's statement. The incident has sparked significant outrage, with many calling for an apology from Patra for his controversial statement. Later, Sambit Patra clarified his remarks, emphasizing that it was a slip of tongue. Replying to Naveen Patnaik's post on X, that is Twitter, Sambit Patra wrote that, "I gave my number of bites today to multiple media channels after this massive success of Sri Narendra Modi ji's road show in Puri today. Everywhere I mentioned that Modi ji is ardent bhakt of Sri Jagannatha Mahaprabhu. By mistake, during one bites, I pronounced just the opposite. I know you too know and understand this." He further said that, "Sir, let's not make an issue out of non-existent issue. We all have slip of tongue sometimes. Thanks and pranam." In a video on X, Patra said he would fast for 3 days to repent for his mistake. He further said that, "Today, I am deeply troubled by the mistakes I've made regarding Mahaprabhu Sri Jagannath Ji." A rough translation of Patra's post in Hindi read, "I bow down to the feet of Mahaprabhu Sri Jagannath Ji and beg for forgiveness. I will be fasting for next 3 days to correct my mistake and repent." Aam Aadmi Party chief Arvind Kejriwal also criticized Patra, calling his remark as an insult to God. In a post on X, he said, "I strongly condemn the statement of BJP. They have started thinking that they are above God. This is a height of arrogance. Calling God Bhakt of Modi ji is an insult to God," he further said. Let's take a look at Patra's post on X.
नमस्कार, जय जगन्नाथ। क्षमा करेंगे मो गला टी बसी पड़ी। आज गोटे गुरुत्वपूर्ण विषय में आपण सागर साक्षात्कार करी। आज सकाळे माननीय प्रधानमंत्री श्री नरेंद्र मोदी जींकर पुरी रे विशालकाय रोड शो थिला। रोड शो बहुत सफल है। रोड शो पर अनेक मीडिया सांगरे मोर साक्षात्कार है। 20-21 मीडिया सांगरे मोर कथबार्ता होती। समस्त को मु समान भाव में कही कि प्रभु श्री जगन्नाथंकर अनन्य भक्त होचंती नरेंद्र मोदी। नरेंद्र मोदी महाप्रभु जगन्नाथ को बहुत मानती। तांकर भक्त आज तांकर आशीर्वाद लोड़ी दर्शन करिसेंती। से भितर गोटे न्यूज चैनल रे यही विषय को उपस्थापित करू करू भूल रे उल्टा कहीदेली। मु कहीदेली कि जगन्नाथ मोदी का भक्त। यह बहुत बड़ भूल मु जानी किंतु अजाणत जहाँ को इंग्राजी में कहते स्लीप ऑफ टंग, मो हृदय भीतर से विषय नथिला। से गोटे चैनल रे मुझे विषय कहीदे। मुझे क्षमा मागुची कि अजाणत भी महाप्रभु को आम हर्ट करी, महाप्रभु को विषय एमती कहीपरानी। जड़े सामान्य लोक भी एक बुझुची कि केबे भी कई भी कहबेनी कि जड़े मनीषर भक्त भगवान। आमे सबू महाप्रभु को भक्त। महाप्रभु आम मौड़मणि। मु निजे महाप्रभु को बहुत माने, आपन सब जानी। किंतु जेहेतु अजाणत गोटे वाक्य बाहरी जाइछि, मु महाप्रभु को मुंडिया मारिकी महाप्रभुंकर चरण तले क्षमा याचना करुछि। आ मु भी निष्पत्ति नहीं कि महाप्रभु तुमरे पुओ को तुमरे छुआ को आपण क्षमा करंतु। मु 3 दिन उपवास करी। उपवास करिकी पश्चाताप करी कि अजाणत स्लीप ऑफ टंग ही गोटे चैनल को जहाँ भूल बाइटा ही गला ताको मु ठीक करी। जय जगन्नाथ।
The Congress also hit out at BJP over Patra's remark. They said BJP leader Sambit Patra says that Mahaprabhu Lord Sri Jagannath is devotee of Narendra Modi. This is a grave insult to Mahaprabhu. This statement has hurt the faith of crores of devotees. Sambit Patra, who is immersed in Modi Bhakt, should not have committed this sin. Narendra Modi himself should apologize for this disgusting statement. Mallikarjun Kharge, the Congress chief, said it reinforces our change that a BJP drunk with power will not even spare our gods, let alone India's people. The comments made by the BJP's Puri candidate is an insult to Mahaprabhu Sri Jagannath, reversed by crores of people. We condemned it in the strongest possible words. On June 4, this arrogance shall be destroyed by the will of people, Mallikarjun Kharge wrote on X. Rahul Gandhi, the senior leader of Congress, hit out at Prime Minister Narendra Modi over the comment. When the Prime Minister starts considering himself as the emperor and courtiers start considering him as God, then it is clear that downfall of Lanka of sin is near. Who gave a handful of BJP people the right to hurt the sentiments of crores of people? This ego is becoming the cause of their destruction, Rahul Gandhi posted in Hindi on X. Ajay Kumar, the AICC charge of Odisha, also condemned the statement. The country and Odisha will not tolerate this insult of Lord Jagannath, Ajay Kumar posted on microblogging site. Will the media ask any other question to Sambit Patra? Where are those journalists with 7 p.m. agenda? Where are those Hindutva organizations? Gone, he added further. This is not the first time Sambit Patra's remarks have made controversy. In 2017, in a news channel show, he called PM Modi as the father of nation, for which Congress demanded that Prime Minister Narendra Modi should apologize to the country for insult to Mahatma Gandhi and should have courage to expel Patra. Lord Jagannatha is a form of Lord Vishnu, is a popular deity in Odisha, and is a temple in Puri, is a pilgrimage site. That's all for this news report. Till then, keep watching HW News English and also download our app News Shorts for the latest news and updates.
Stay ahead with our cutting edge news app. Instantly access the latest shorts in just 1 minute and breaking news in just 50 words. Download now for a smarter, faster news experience.